Hello, everyone. We are going to evaluate the trades for the week of 3/10 to 3/14, 2025. As usual, we're going to start with EJ. And we can see on Monday, 4 hours down, 1 hour down. Don't see daily, so let's look at daily. And the daily's up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So daily is up. Okay, so what this tells us is this is a 15-minute trade. And here's the one ball. And we're going to start looking at the 15-minute chart to see if we get a fresh crossover. And we do, right there. Now it's a matter of refining the entry. The March. Here's the 10th. This is already a fresh crossover, so here's the one ball retrace. Let's see what the 1 minute gives us. Don't have the data for 1 minute. So let's take the 5-minute entry, and that would be right there. And go to the 15-minute chart as is 15-minute trade. And use our exit as per the system. That's 28 pips. So let's record that. Okay. Tuesday. 1 hour chart. So daily H1, 4 hour are all long. So this is definitely a 1 hour trade. Let's look at the 15 and we get a fresh cross. 5 has already had a fresh cross. I think we have the 1 minute data, but let's see. No. Let's take the 5-minute entry, which would be right here. Let's say. Okay. I can take the breakout. That would be the entry. And so 1 hour chart trade, and here's our exit. That's 118 pips. Okay. Let's go to Wednesday. Wednesday is a continuation trade because we had a one ball. We look at the 1 hour, right? So we have to look for a fresh cross on the 15. Don't get that, we get a retrace. Maybe the 5 will give us a spread. There it is. All right, let's bring that green line up. 5-minute trade. Here's the entry. 1 hour. And there's the exit. And it's 21 pips. Okay. Now we come to Thursday. And we have a 1 hour short, so we're waiting for a 4 hour. And this would make it a 15-minute trade right here. 15-minute chart, and let's see if we get a fresh cross. We do right here. And we look at the 5-minute is already in. Okay, so either you take it here or you wait for the 3-ball, which is safer. Take this entry, or this entry. Well, we can take cross the same, right? We take this entry, get a little bit of drawdown. It's a 15-minute trade. And the exit is right here. Gives us 11 pips. Okay. Not here, sorry. Now we come to Friday. And Friday again, all three are in sync, so it's a 1-hour trade, but we don't have a fresh cross. So hopefully the 15 will give us a fresh cross. It doesn't, it does do a retrace. But definitely 5 needs a fresh cross, which happens here. So this is our entry. Go to the H1. Here's our exit. 52 pips. That's equal to 63.84. 94, 202, and 230 pips. Okay, not bad. All right, let's move on to euro dollar. And we don't see a day here anywhere, so let's look at the daily. And the daily is long all through this week. So come to the H1. We're in a 2-ball retrace. And even the 4 hours not giving us any entries. So let's look at the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour. So here's the 1-ball retrace. This is where you start looking for 1 hour entries. Here's a 1 hour fresh cross with the 15. I'm starting some announcement here. Basically, Monday is no trade. We're looking to go long. Okay. And we look at Tuesday. And Tuesday is the continuation trade. So 15 should give us a fresh cross. Does. Look at the 5. You have to wait for the retrace. This is our entry. I'm bringing it down to the 1, but I don't have 1 data. I'll just look. Yeah, see, don't have the data. So that's the entry. And here's our exit for 24 pips. Okay. All right. And then Wednesday. We can take this fresh cross. We know we're going against the 3-ball. Not going to get much. Let's look at the 15. 15 is also a fresh cross. It's a 5. And there's no solid entry, but you can say, take this entry. And you're on the 1 hour. And it's break even. All right. Thursday. This is a 15-minute short because the daily is long. So let's look at a fresh cross of the 15. And that happens over here. And 5. And 5 is over here. There's our entry. This is a 15-minute trade. And our exit is here. This is before the news. This is PPI news on the dollar. So either we take this or pips on today, or we sit through the gyrations of the news, right? And then take our exit here. And that would have given us 30 pips to you, whether it's worth it. And then H1, on Friday, 4 hours short, no trade. Okay. So E gave us 34 pips per day. Friday was a weird day. Not sure why the market didn't move. All right, so let's look at TJ. TJ. And no indication of the daily, so let's look at the daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so Monday was a short. It's going against the daily crossover. And then the rest of the 4 days for the long. So let's look at H1. Four hours are short. Beginning of the week. There you go. So 4 hour short, daily short. We're going to look for a short here. And since we don't have a fresh cross, we're going to look for a fresh cross on the 15, which we get right here. 5. Right there. There's our entry. And we are on H1. It doesn't give us much. No, 53 pips, not much, but there you go. We are on to Tuesday. 1 hour fresh cross. But here's the 4 hour. It's a 15-minute trade. Well, the daily is long at this point. So, or trying to go long. Let's look at the 15, get a fresh cross. We don't have a fresh cross. That's 5. 5 also, there's no fresh cross. Let's say it's over here. So, stage 1 trade. And that's minus 21. Okay. bad day. All right, Wednesday, sorry. The continuation trade long. So 15 should give us a fresh cross, which it does right there. Let's look at the 5. 5 fresh crosses here, entries here. Let's the H1. And our exit is right there. That's 72 pips. Wednesday was US CPI. So got a bump at the CPI somewhere in here, right? And Thursday was PPI. So here's Thursday, 1 hour short. We had to wait all the way to the US session. Look for a trade. And now this is a 15-minute trade. So get a 15-minute fresh cross. It happens over here. Let's see what we get on the 5. Nothing. So if you want to force a trade, you can take an entry here. But I would say there's no trade. Okay. Let's go to H1. And on Friday, everything's going long. Get the 15 to see if we get a fresh cross. We don't. 5, do we get a fresh cross? We do here. So this is a 3 ball. Don't think we're going to get much out of this. Well, let's start breaking it. All right. This is equal to 125 minus 21. All right. All right. Let's look at GU. Again, nothing on the daily, so let's look at daily. Daily's long. All right, so we know on Monday, it's long. Let's see. Let's look at the 4 hours flat. It's in the middle of a 2 ball. So really, you start looking for a long here, and this will be your first long. You look at the 1 hour, and that is on Tuesday. Up there. Let's look at the 15-minute. Get a fresh cross. Sorry, that's 5. So let's look at the 15. Nothing. And there's a fresh cross. 5. Here's your entry. One-hour trade. And end of day. It gives us 49 pips. Okay. Let's see on Wednesday. Again, start looking for longs here. And let's say fresh cross here. And 5. an entry right away over here. H1. Here's your exit. End of day. 15 pips. All of that for 15 pips. All right. Better than nothing, I guess. But stressful. Okay. Then Thursday. Look at this bar. This was a bar. Shot up. Came all the way down and then went back up again. This is a dangerous way to trade anyway. All right, so there's no trade on Thursday for the 1 hour turn and the 4 hours still pointing up. Then we get a trade on Friday. 4 hour, 1 hour in sync. Get a fresh cross on the 15. Which we do. Let's look at the 5. And no trade. Mm, 64 pips. This is a grand total of add it up. 230 plus 34 plus 104 plus 64. 432 pips. Not a bad week, even though trading was all over the place. All right, have a good one. See you next week. Bye.